Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ishneet Kaur. For the people who don't know me, I am a professional makeup artist. If you guys want to see my work, I've recently launched my own website. I will link the website link in the description bar below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. I'm gonna start by using an eyelash glue. I'm gonna take out a little bit on my finger and dab it on my neck. I'm gonna dab it on my neck and spread it out. Then I'm going to take some toilet paper, tear it into pieces and apply it where I had applied the glue. Make sure to use smaller pieces, and if there is any excess you can tear it off. Next, I am using a foundation that is closer to my skin tone. I'm going to layer it evenly so that the tissue looks like a part of my skin. And then I'm just going to dab it with a beauty blender and blend it in. I'm going to show you why you're not supposed to use a tweezer for this, is because a tweezer is not sharp at all. If you go to scrape it, it's just going to end up removing the tissue that you have already applied. Going back, I'm just going to fill that with a little concealer and use a scissor instead. Since it is sharper, it is easier to scrape through. Just be careful, you do not want to poke yourself in the skin. Now using the fake liquid blood, I'm going to go in with a cotton bud. I'm going to dip the earbud in the blood and I'm just going to dab it over the wound. So y'all can use a clear glue as well, but I've used a black glue. A glue that dries down black is because I feel like it just gives more of a natural effect, and where you apply the blood, the black makes it look more darker in certain areas, and it just gives a more real effect. The neck area is done. I'm going to do the same steps for the cheek. I'm going to take some glue, dab it on the cheek, add tissue paper, use a concealer, use the scissors to scrape it out. I'm going to use a brush to apply the fake blood. Can you see the black that is peeping through? I feel that when the blood is applied over there, it gives a darker effect. So I like that. And I'm just going to dab the remaining blood on the tissue paper, and I'm just doing it randomly. I'm just using a plain eyeshadow brush. I just wanted to show you that you can use either a cotton bud or a brush. It's not going to make much of a difference. Now going down, I've applied glue here, but I've not applied any tissue paper here. I just wanted to do like a small cut kind of an effect. So I've applied blood on top of that. Now on this brush, I have dipped into brown and blue eyeshadow just to give that illusion of a bruise. I'm just going to take some liquid blood and apply it in a concentrated way, as though, you know, the blood is dripping down from a cut. And here we're done. It was really easy. This is the final look.